In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Keepa Chrome extension. Keepa is an Amazon price tracker that shows you price history charts and alerts so you can shop smarter. We'll install it safely from the official Chrome web store and make sure everything looks right along the way. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We're going directly to Google's official extension marketplace. Click into the address bar at the top, type chrome.google.com/webstore and press enter. This page is where you can find and install trusted Chrome extensions. Once the Chrome web store loads, look for the search bar near the top left. In that search box, type Keepa, Amazon price tracker, and run the search. You'll see a list of results. Find the extension named Keepa with the description Amazon price tracker and click it. Make sure the listing says it's offered by Keepa.com. That publisher detail is important because it confirms you're getting the genuine extension, not a lookalike. Before you install, take a moment to check the overall star rating and the number of users. Keepa should show a high rating and millions of users. These signals help confirm that it's widely used and well regarded. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button on the Keepa page. Chrome will show a small confirmation pop-up asking you to proceed. Click Add Extension to confirm. You may see a brief note about permissions. This is normal for extensions that interact with web pages to display information. Now wait a few seconds while Chrome installs it automatically. The download and setup are quick and usually finish almost immediately. When the installation completes, look to the top right of your Chrome toolbar. You should see the Keepa icon appear there, which confirms the extension is installed and active. If it doesn't show up instantly, give it a moment to load. It will appear as soon as Chrome finishes setting everything up. That's the entire process. You opened Chrome, went to the Chrome web store, searched for Keepa, Amazon price tracker, chose the correct listing offered by Keepa.com, verified the high rating and large user base, clicked Add to Chrome, confirmed by selecting Add Extension on the pop-up, waited a few seconds for the auto install, and then checked the top right toolbar for the Keepa icon. You're all set. The next time you visit an Amazon product page, Keepa will be ready to provide price history and insights to help you make better buying decisions.